beautiful square that we're in now is about a 15-minute walk from the ship. I've no idea what it's called, but it looks lovely. So we're spending the day strolling around. Heading over to this tram now, so I do like a tram. Here we go, you can do a tram tour.
Not very much, sir.
Don't know. Official sightseeing tour. No one about. But if anyone's interested, information and tickets on kiosk. I do like a tram. Yeah, I know, that's what I said. We should do that and get some great shots up there. Shall we? We have now decided, before it gets too busy, to try and go up there. As long as there's not too many steps for her to go up, yeah. We came up in the lift, and then you have a few more steps to go up.
A bit steep.
A bit steep.
Oh, there's a lady one.
Yeah, to the clock room.
Oh. Yeah.
There she goes. Thank you very much. And here we are in the clock room. Great shots once you're at the top. Wow, look at that. There's the bridge that we'll be going under on the way back later on.
Silent disco.
Yeah. There's home. Yeah. Brilliant views, isn't it? So this is €3 each to come up here. Yeah, and you get a great view. There's the square that we were just in down there. Oh. Oh, look at her. Look. Lovely statue.
I'm only saying if he's ticklish.
And is he?
No, he ain't both.
I wonder why.
you get 6 for 5.
6 for £5.50. And these are lovely, these custody ones.
Yeah, they're the ones.
So we couldn't resist, so we're going to have a coffee and one of those pastries. Now if this queue wasn't so big, it would have been good to go up here. But as you can see, I think you have to get here a little bit early. It's going all the way around. Yeah. Now we're in another square. More monuments. So that was going yesterday, it's a shame. It's not going today. A fountain. I don't know who that is up there.
So this floor in this square is really strange. It feels like you're on different levels. Makes you feel a bit. It shows in here, but it's really weird. Feeling funny walking on this floor. Are you?
Feels like it's.
Yeah.
Feels like some bits are higher than others and they're not.
I know. It's really weird, isn't it?
They're nicer.
Look at that. Come up there.
Mas eles conseguem. Agora, nós nem conseguimos.
Just a quick pan to give you an idea of Lisbon.
The metro line.
Yeah. This looks very nice. Gives you a bit of shade from the hot sun. Not that we're complaining about seeing some sun. Or cafes through here.
We'll stop off and
Yeah.
get a drink. One of the
It's only 21 at the moment, so just nice.
cup on the line.
She's lost her phone. She's just pointed out this hotel that she thinks we should stay in. Yeah, the Wine Hotel. Right, I'm not looking at the fountain again, I'm looking at a cafe over there that's got lots of beer in it, so I think that's where we're heading. Yeah, try that queue, it's still pretty big to go up there, which is a shame. Right up there is the castle. Just be aware, if you walk past all the restaurants at lunchtime,
Oh.
you're going to get accosted every
step.
every step. Come in this restaurant, home cooked food by their mother and all this sort of thing. So every couple of minutes it'll be.
It's here now from this morning.
And a selfie down there with a bridge in the back. This is if you want to cruise up the river.
As if you ain't done enough cruising.
Yes, as if we haven't seen enough boats, but
It's nice.
that's lovely. Really liked it here.
Yeah, I think this has been my favourite.
Yeah. Hi Lisbon. We're going back to the boat now. Or the ship, I should say. Yeah, get told off for calling her boat. Lovely city. So Iona in the background, and we're just about to get back on board. We're going up to the... There she is. Look at her, bless her little heart.
Yeah,
Look.
I know you said to stand to the left where I can fall in the water.
We're going back on board. We're going to sit on the balcony,
snooze.
and we might have 40 winks before we go up to the Sail Away Silent Disco. How about that?
Woohoo!
This is the last time we're going to get a shot like this, so let's go along the whole length of the ship.
It's humongous.
Isn't it? Look at it. Huge bloody great thing.
Look,
Yeah.
they're already at the back.
Yeah, they're already at the back getting ready for the Sail Away.
Spots.
Yeah. Massive ship. Look at that. Like a dolphin.
By dialing 7501 from the nearest ship's telephone or in person at the reception desk. Next 7 in ship. This is Janet Thomas from Deck 4.
Getting ready for the silent disco.
Please contact the reception by dialing 75.
Like a virgin when your heart beats next to mine. Oh, my love boy. Enjoy.
Hey, good morning.
Rob Clam. Rob Clam.
Hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
And I And when the night falls, let's go. Yeah, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat with somebody. With somebody. With somebody who loves me. Want to dance with somebody. Feel the heat. Want to dance with somebody.
What do you think she's listening to? I'll give you a clue. Look at the legs.
November. God, December. I don't know all the words. Just way.
The bar staff working very, very hard in the infinity pool. Thank you very much. Come on. Here we go. Look at that view. Fantastic. What a sail away this is. Hey, look at that. Put your loving hands up, baby.
YMCA. Here we go. YMCA. YMCA. I can't get my feet round the right way. You can do whatever you feel. I said, young man. Watch out. This one thing. No man does it all by himself. Never turn the woman. Get out. Robot video. The video. The blue thing. Alright now.
I don't think it's probably not the... If I put my...
Yeah. Going shoulders. Bum. Oh, don't show the lines, don't show the face.
So we've just had a great sail away from Lisbon. It was the silent disco. I think we may have upset a few people with Madam's voice. I could see a few looks being given, but we don't care. We were enjoying ourselves. Well, you can hear where she is. We're now going to the, where are we going?
Beach house.
The beach house. First time we've been up there for our dinner.
For our dinner.
And did you enjoy the silent disco?
I think it's brilliant.
Great,
Absolutely, yeah.
Especially Lisbon and going under the bridge.
Under that bridge and that.
Fantastic.
But yeah, I know. I thought people were giving me a funny look.
Yeah.
But I was enjoying myself.
We don't care. We were having
don't
fun.
care. I was having fun.
Yeah.
So
We're doing nothing wrong. They put the silent disco up there. Wasn't our choice, was it?
No.
Right.
So I can't help my voice. My
Right.
dance is all right. It's just my voice.
Come on then.
So
dinner.
Come along.
First pina colada, look at that. First one I've had, hasn't it? On
Yeah.
here. Good shit.
Yeah.
Now, Madam's got her usual wine. Potato skins and mozzarella.
Morella sticks. Potato skins and
And
mozzarella.
I've got some pork or something or other, but it looks very nice.
Oh, it's
You can't remember, can you? But look at that.
oh, cine con carne or something. So it's vegetarian.
It's a vegetarian carne. I've got chicken. Look at that.
I've got a lot of chilies
Yeah, I think some of that will be coming to me. Homemade apple pie. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, and I forget yoghurty ice cream.
And banana split for me.
Looks
Very
nice.
too.
I don't know what that is.
No, try it, have a go. Yeah, I hope it's hot.
It ain't going to be hot. Oh, it's not. I don't know what it is.
So after a great sail away at Lisbon, we
Oh, it's great. The silent disco was brilliant, wasn't it? Really enjoyed that.
had a great time.
And then we went to the beach house tonight for dinner, didn't we?
Yes, which was our first visit, and
I
that
really
was
liked
very
it,
nice.
yeah.
And she liked it so much, we're
We've
going
got-
back again on Friday.
Yeah, because I got food envy.
Anything she likes, then we have to do it again. Don't we?
Plus, I see next to us, that lady had
Oh, yeah.
something that I wanted, so
Yeah.
I could hardly say to her, can I swap? Like I do you.
And then we went up to
We went up to the Sky Dome
Sky Dome,
and saw
Dome, yeah.
Pulse again. Oh, and some nice people spoke to us, didn't they?
yeah, said they watch
Watch our vlogs and that.
ridiculous vlogs that we do. So that was
So that was nice talking to
yeah,
them.
they were nice. They were,
They were
nice
very
people.
nice people. And then, what did we do then?
Theatre.
Oh yeah, went to the theatre. And then we
Crow's
just went
Nest.
to the Crow's Nest.
For a nightcap.
Yeah, but I feel absolutely cream.
Now
cracker
we're really
now.
shattered. So we've
I'm
got
fed up with drink.
two sea days ahead of us now before we get back to Southampton.
Oh no, they've gone quick.
Really gone quick.
These last few days, so
It's
Is it the
bedtime
sat
now,
nav?
isn't it? It's
Yeah,
bedtime.
so-
So we shall see you tomorrow.
tomorrow. So,
Night.
Good night.